Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing next to this brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 23 Vantage. This is truly a boat that does multiple tasks without compromise, whether it's a day out on the water with a family at the beach or a hardcore offshore fishing day. You've got the deep V-hull to break those waves and give you a nice comfortable ride. Lots of rocket launchers and plenty of seating and lounge area for whatever the day brings. Let's hop up inside and see what it looks like. So on board here you can see we've got lots of seating everywhere you look. You've got reversible seating that folds down to convert to a big sun lounger here on the port side. Nice comfortable captain's chair at the helm. Plenty of space for whatever kind of electronics you want. Electronic trim tabs. Lots more seating up here at the bow, as well as optional table mount. On the port side here, we've got a large head with a freshwater sink in it. We've got cup holders and speakers throughout the whole boat for convenience. And a big fold-down seat aft here that doubles as a knee bolster when it's set up for fishing. And finally here, we've got a freshwater sink washdown with a nice Yeti cooler built in right below. If you guys have any other questions on this boat, please feel free to give me a call anytime. Call, text, or email. I'm here to help.